What up, y'all big baby Buicks? It's your boy KJ. All right, here's my new whip. This ain't really my new whip, but I've had it for a pretty good while. But I haven't done a video on a vehicle I've had in a while, so here it is. 05 Escalade, lowered, 3 in the front, 3 in the back, on the 2018 Escalade reps, 26s. All right, for the inside of this mug, we got a little busted in dash, and yep, sunroof. Okay, little sunroof, little captain's chairs in the back. Okay, no third row, but it's tight. Now, ain't got no slap. Just rolling like a big dog right now. Let me go ahead and get a couple little views of it. I know y'all want to see the whip, but it's all right for now. Kind of want to supercharge it since it's got a 6.0 in it. So if anybody knows how to do all that shit, let your boy know. Oh, I forgot my keys to get in the house. No, I didn't. So yeah, I need to start doing videos, but I need to get a tight camera for it. But you know what? That shit's expensive, so I can't do it. There's my little busted trailer with the okay, the 38s on it. Oh, the white bullet holes are so tight. Yeah, I lost my voice, but anyways, I'm about to go in the crib. Give me something to eat. Look at the candy paint. I call that Escalade candy paint. And yeah, that's pretty much about it, guys. It sucks because I don't have a tight ass camera, so I can't just be like, hey, what up, everybody? This is my little vlog channel, so it don't work like that. But anyways, oh yeah, here's my little baby Buick right here too. Oh, what is that? What is this? Anyways, I'm out, guys.